Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for a super fun outdoor game for the whole family, you have to check out this LadderBall game from Kihu. So what makes this especially fantastic is that it's extremely portable. It comes in its own carrying case. You can assemble it in just a few minutes, and then everybody can play. So depending how far you space out your game, you can adjust it for younger kids or for adults. The base is nice and wide. So you're going to be playing this outdoors. The ground might not be super even. There's wind, but this doesn't tip. It's really sturdy because of how wide the base is. You play this in 2 teams. It comes with 6 separate balls on the string. They're consistent in size. They toss really well. I like that it also has its own scoring system. You can adjust it right on the side, keep track of your score. They're nice and colorful, which is just an added bonus. The fit of the pipes is snug, so you have to work a little bit to get it together, but once it's together, you know that it's not going to fall apart on you. It's nice and stable. It came with 2 extra connectors, which is a bonus. So if you're looking to have a great time, to entertain your guests, to keep the whole family having fun, I think you'll really like this game, and that's my point of view.